Yeah, I absolutely love online tuition. I moved online about 10 years ago. And to be honest, I think it's transformed the way that I tutor. With online, you can use so many different tools. So I have an interactive whiteboard, which I use for all of the lessons. And you can use interactive whiteboards in very boring ways. You can just sit there and write on the board. I tend to like to create engaging interactive activities like drag and drop, or get the child to do match up, moving things around on the screen, which actively gets them doing something. So I think a lot of the easy mistakes to make if you're running online tuition is to run it like a webinar where you just talk at the child. Now, I, as an adult, find it difficult to be completely engaged in a webinar. I'll switch off and not listen. So as a child, it must be so much more difficult to be engaged. So I tend to set myself a ratio where I tend to do 20 to 80%. 20% of the time in that lesson will be me talking to the student. 80% of the time in that lesson will be the child doing something. So they're constantly moving something around or writing their working or typing something. It doesn't really matter what, as long as they're doing something. Because if they're sitting there not listening, then yeah, it's very easy to lose engagement. Having said that, it is absolutely true that online tuition requires a level of self-discipline that not all children have. And I'd be lying if I said I could just make every single lesson for every single type of student perfect online. The child does have to want to be engaged and want to be there and have a level of self-discipline that allows them to take part and engage with me in the first place.